So it says here, in the function above, the slope will be multiplied by -9. So let me sketch out what this means so you guys can see it. So this function here, this is f of x. And we're going to transform this into a different graph. So we're going to say this different graph is g of x. And it says in the function in the graph above will be multiplied by -9. So g of x is going to be equal to -9 times f of x. And then the y value of the y-intercept will be increased by 2 units. So we're going to add 2 to it. Okay. And then it says, which of the following graphs represents this? So the first thing that I want to notice is that what is the slope of this line? So if I know that the y-intercept is 2, right? So if I were to write this out, I would say f of x, f of x is equal to something times x plus 2. So to find the something, it's going downhill, so that means I'm going to have a negative slope. So I'm going to go down 1, and I'm going to go over 1, 2, and it looks to be like 3. So it looks like -3x plus 2. So it says in the function above, the slope will be multiplied by -9. So what will be the slope of the next equation? Well, it should be like -27. Boy, that seems really steep, doesn't it? That means I would go down. Wait, if I multiply it by a +9, it would be a +27. So right off the bat, I should know that I'm going to have a positive slope, right? I should know that. So I just figured out that if I multiply -3 by -9, I get a positive slope. This is downhill. This is not the answer. This is not the answer. So my answer has to be either y or z. But then it tells me that the y-intercept is going to be increased by 2. So the y-intercept here is 2. So my y-intercept needs to cross at 4. So it's not this one. So this must be the choice. Does that make sense? Now, is that going up 27 and over 1? I don't think so. So I think they meant that the slope would be +9, because I don't think they're going up 27 and over 1. Oh, wait. I wrote down the slope wrong. You guys didn't catch that. I'm going down 1 over 3. So my slope technically, and that's the problem that I had, my slope technically was -1/3. Well, -9 times -1/3 is actually a +3. So I think if I go from here, I would go up 1, 2, 3 over 1. That would give me a rise of 3 and a run of 3. So this would be 3x plus 4. Okay. All right. That's it. Phew. I had some concerns.